in today's video, let's talk about how to use the Wells Fargo Greenhouse budgeting app. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now if you're trying to budget within the Wells Fargo platform using the Greenhouse feature, let me tell you that this has been permanently shut down and it is no longer available in order for you to download or even use. So instead, now what you need to do, you'll need to set up two parallel accounts to mimic the Greenhouse setup. You can use one checking account that is dedicated strictly to paying bills and a separate account that is linked with your debit card for variable weekly spendings. So what you simply need to do is head over to the gold section that should be available within your Wells Fargo, and you'll need to choose a specific objective. You'll need to enter or input your target dollar amount and the target completion deadline as well. You'll need to link your specific savings account or check-free banking account to the goal to let the automatic system track your progress visually. So this is the exact section that you can activate or set up your budget in Wells Fargo. That's pretty much all there is to it. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.